Good evening, friends. Now it's night time. This is Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Morning, afternoon, evening. હવે પછી ટાઈમ છે નાઇટ ઇંગ્લિશ પ્રેક્ટિસનો. If you end your day with English, your fluency will improve very fast. Today you will learn 25 English night sentence that you can use in your daily conversation. Repeat with me smoothly. Let's begin. Write in comment, I will speak English at night. First we see night routine. Good night, શુભ રાત્રિ. I am feeling tired. મને થાક લાગ્યો છે. It was a long day. દિવસ બહુ લાંબો હતો. I am going to rest. હું આરામ કરવા જઈ રહી છું. I wear night clothes. મેં રાત્રિના કપડાં પહેર્યા. Now dinner time sentence. I am having dinner. હું ભોજન લઈ રહી છું. The food is delicious. ખાવાનું સ્વાદિષ્ટ છે. Eat properly. સારી રીતે ખાઓ. I am full now. પેટ હવે ભરાઈ ગયું છે. Let's clean the table. ચાલો ટેબલ સાફ કરીએ. Now relax and free time sentence. I am watching TV. હું ટીવી જોઈ રહી છું. I am using my phone. હું મારો ફોન યુઝ કરી રહી છું. I am talking to my family. હું મારી ફેમિલી સાથે વાતો કરી રહી છું. I am relaxing now. હવે હું આરામદાયક છું. I am getting sleepy. મને ઊંઘ આવી રહી છે. Now we see reflection sentence. Today was a good day. આજે દિવસ સારો હતો. I learned something new. આજે હું કંઈક નવું શીખી. I will do better tomorrow. આવતીકાલે હું વધુ સારું કરીશ. I am thankful for today. આજ માટે હું આભારી છું. I am delighted today. આજે હું ખુશ છું. Now sleep time sentence. I am going for sleep. હું સૂવા માટે જઈ રહી છું. Set the alarm. એલાર્મ સેટ કરો. Don't forget tomorrow. આવતીકાલે ભૂલતા નહીં. See you tomorrow. આવતીકાલે મળીશું. Sweet dream. મીઠા સપના. Now we see night practice routine. Speak 10 sentences daily. Repeat slowly and smoothly. Think in English. Do 1 minute practice daily. So friends, remember, start your day with English. End your day with English. દિવસની શરૂઆત પણ ઇંગ્લિશ, દિવસનો અંત પણ ઇંગ્લિશ. Now let me share my night routine. At night, I have dinner. I relax. I talk to my family. I use my phone. Then I go to sleep. So guys, if you practice English in morning, afternoon, evening and at night, you are creating an English environment around you. And that is secret of fluency. Keep practicing every day. You will definitely improve your English. Do you complete full series? Comment below, yes, I completed. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.